I'm Sai Tetna. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Reviews. So in this video I'll try to do the Antutu benchmark test on the IQ7 device using the Realme cooling fan, as you can see, friends. So finally I bought the Realme cooling fan, and even I bought the Wi-Fi router just because of this IQ7 device. I'm kidding. So not because of the IQ7 device, because of Realme X1 Max as well, which is experiencing really high temperatures. And we all know the IQ7 is not compromised in the performance even though with the high temperatures. But let's see, I'm trying to cool down this monster using this Realme cooling clip, whether this can make a lot of difference or not in terms of the Antutu benchmark test results. So that is what I'm trying to see. In my previous testing, what I find out is that the performance in this phone is not at all compromised even with the high temperatures. So my worry is that this might definitely put an impact on for the long time usage. So that is the reason I did bought this kind of Realme cooling clip, just to see whether it can be making any kind of difference or not. And this is my video which I got really scared of this IQ7 device, where the temperature increased up to 48 degrees as well. If I continue the test again, this will go again more than 50 degrees, but performance not at all decreased in this phone. So just to cool down this monster, let's see by trying the Realme cooling clip whether this can impact a lot of things or not in this phone. And let me try to show you whether which is the correct position to put in the phone. So let me try to exactly show you the thing. So one more thing, it doesn't press the power button at all, as you can see, friends, using the Realme clip at all. As you can see, it's not pressing the power button, so no issues. I'm trying to keep exactly to the position. Let me try to slightly show you backside. As you can see, I'm trying to keep the position slightly to the upside, so near the camera, because this is the area which I'll be noticing much of the high temperatures most of the time. So in case if you want me to change the positions from top to bottom or side, so make sure to comment below, friends. Maybe in the next upcoming videos I'll try to change the positions and test. So let's see right now how much is the temperatures in this phone. Exactly in this point, 34 degrees, and surroundings of the clip I'm trying to see 33 degrees. So even my room temperature is 32, 33. I did not turn on no AC, no cooler in my room at all. So 34 and everything. The fan is itself 33. As you can clearly see, friends, I'm trying to show you exactly under that as well. Everything is 34 right now, as you can completely see, 34 degrees. So let me to open the Antutu benchmark application and show you. So I'm trying to show you exactly what is the temperatures right now of the CPU as well. As you can see, friends, the CPU inside, so it's of close to 43 degrees, and the battery 32.7 degrees. As you can see, the temperatures. I'm trying to show you inbuilt Antutu benchmark application, so how much temperatures it's detecting right now. I'm not sure how much accurate it is, but I'll try to show you after the Antutu benchmark test has been done. So in this way we will be able to calculate. In case if you want to see other applications, so here is a CPU X application which is detecting close to 33 degrees, as you can see, friends, right now. So these are the results, and let me try to quickly turn off the Wi-Fi and turn off everything, and let me try to close all the background applications, and let me try to show you exactly what settings I'm trying to use. As you can see, 120 Hz refresh rate turned on. Let me try to slightly decrease the brightness to 50% during this time of testing. And one more thing, I did add the Antutu benchmark test into the ultra game mode. Let me try to check the final temperatures in the front as well, 35 degrees. As you can see, friends, finally I'm trying to show you the exact temperatures, how much it is. So let me try to take the screenshot, and this before, and let me try to start the test and press the button. Right now, as you can see, friends, the fan is completely on and it's going on, as you can clearly see. I did use the cable to connected to my power bank, MI power bank. So right now we should be able to see some kind of cooling is happening right now in the back side. I'm just trying to observe whether the cooling will be coming complete phone or not to the surroundings, or will it be staying only exactly in that part. So that is what I'm trying to see right now. So right now I'm trying to focus on the backside 35 degrees, completely the surrounding temperature 37 degrees. As you can see on the top side, let's see, on the top side it's 37 exactly, friends, as you can see here right now, the temperatures. So in case if you want me to use exactly in the middle, so make sure to comment below. So even I'm not sure exactly in which position to test this kind of cooling fan, so that is the reason I want your feedback. So inside this fan, 38 degrees, 35 this side, 35 degrees right now. So let's see, friends, what will be the final result in terms of the temperatures, whether the phone will be cooling or not. Right now 38 degrees, as you can see here. So again I'll be back after a couple of minutes just to show you how much is the temperatures. And before when I did the testing without using any kind of cooling fan, the temperatures increased in these phones up to I think close to 43 and 44 degrees. So that is a temperature which has been increased before without using any cooling fan. So with using cooling fan, Realme cooling fan, let's see whether this can change anything in terms of the temperatures mainly or not. So this is what I'm trying to see right now. 37, I think till now it's kind of keeping cool a little bit in this area. 37 degrees right now, and even my surrounding temperature, as I said, it's same, that is 33 degrees. So it should not affect the test as well. So there is no cooler, no AC. Again I'll be back after some time of continuously running the test. Close to 50% of the Antutu benchmark test, and the temperature is 40 degrees. It increased 40, so which is quite a normal 40 degrees, not much. So for the 50%, as you can see friends right now. So by the end of the test, let's see what will be the maximum temperatures the phone can actually increase. On the back side, it's really good. It's maintaining under 40. I think it's working right now. I can see the difference, 38 degrees, not much. So beside this clip also 36 degrees, 36 and 30. I think this can definitely cool down this monster, I think, as you can see friends. But only thing is that it's really expensive in terms of the price. So I did try before using the different kind of product which I got from the Amazon website. So this one didn't work that much properly, but I think this Realme kind of working, I'm not sure. As I said, this is my just day one of using this Realme cooling clip. So you know about me, I'll try to put even this cooling clip under intense kind of stress, and I'll try to see whether it's performing the best or not in using different test with the other smartphones cooling down. Mainly next test will be on the Realme X1 Max, testing with this phone particularly. So let's see whether with the Realme X1 Max this can cool down or not. But right now temperature is 40 degrees only. That's really great, that's really good. I think I like it in terms of cooling this monster particularly. So I'm going to be back after a couple of minutes. So I did post the video on the unboxing of this Realme cooling clip, and I asked all the members to comment below with which phone you want to compare. And as you can see friends, I'm getting plenty of requests on the iQ7 only to cool down this monster, because plenty of iQ7 users, they do like the performance, but they don't like the temperatures getting heat, and they want to get confirmed from me whether this cooling fan is getting help or not. Will it help the monster to cool down or not? That is what the confirmation. I can see some temperature increasing here, but it's not much, but 39 degrees. Inside this fan 36 degrees, 37 degrees. So around it's maintaining 36, 39. Front side 40.2. That's really good. 40.2, not bad at all. So I think my first impression is, I think it's really great friends. So whenever I get any kind of gadget within 1 or 2 hours, that will be kind of my first impression. So that is my first impression about this Realme cooling clip. Maybe I can give it a go with this monster to cool down. I'll try to do more testings using the CPU throttling test, and next is 3D benchmark using the wild stress test. That is a main test which I'll try to do. A lot of users, they are really asking about that. And make sure to comment under that video in case if you want me to compare with any other smartphones regarding comparison and cool downings. Let me try to check the comments later on. And we are getting close to finishing of the results as well. Right now let's check the temperatures of the final score is 39.2. Oh my god, that's really great. I think it's working to cool down this monster, definitely friends. So right now I'm getting 39.6, 39.4 results. It's really good. I think for the first time I'm seeing this monster this much in cool temperature, even though I'm running the benchmarks. That's really great. So 7,05,004, as you can see, 406. That's a really good impressive score which I got. I think this is my highest score I got so far. So in terms of the performance, let me try to quickly take the screenshot and keep it in my gallery as a collection. And overall, let me go back and focus on the temperatures, how much you are trying to see. So right now, as you can see friends, you are seeing the battery temperatures 37.7 degrees and CPU is of 50 degrees. As you can see friends, clearly 50 degrees only you are seeing the CPU and the battery. And final score is, this is the score as you can see. Let me try to quickly turn off this one and show you the results of exactly the backside position, what it is there any water material or not. Let me try to check the temperature exactly under this one. The temperature is of 33.2 degrees as you can see under this area. As you can see that it's getting vaporized. Right now, and temperatures on this cooling clip is about 34 degrees, 32 degrees on this cooling clip. There's not much water. There's not much water. I think there's some kind of little bit kind of vapor is going on, little bit kind of water, as you can see on the back side. But 36, 37. But this part is 35 and 36. So definitely, I think it's kind of cooling down in terms of the temperatures. So in this IQ7 device mainly. So before, when I do the benchmark test, I used to get the temperatures much high to, I think 43 and 44 sometimes. But right now I'm getting 38 degrees and 37 degrees, as you can clearly see, friends. So even in terms of the performance as well, it's got really improved. Let me try to compare with the previous results so you know exactly what I'm talking about. So let me try to find out any other thing. So here is another screenshot which I have taken there. The temperature increased 39.5, not much, and score is 7 lakhs. Let me try to see another benchmark, and here is another temperature which is recorded about 41.5 and 41.2, not bad. And here is the temperature 40.7. And one more thing, you need to add every time 2 degrees or 3 degrees for this temperature what is showing on the application in the Antutu benchmark test results. So overall, I think it is kind of helping little bit, but not much. But definitely I'm kind of little bit kind of satisfied. But I'll try to get to know more things about this Realme clip while doing 3D benchmark wildlife stress test. So while doing that test only, we'll be able to know more. And in case if you want me to change any kind of position, so make sure to comment under this video, so then I can change the position in for that video at least. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and don't forget to check the links in description for more details, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.